Sometimes I go on eBay when I'm drunk and I buy stuff and I don't know that I bought it until it shows up a month later from China. Case in point, a breathalyzer kit showed up today, ironically. And here you can see the circuit. The key ingredient here is this little sensor that when alcohol gets inside there, its resistance goes low. This triggers a 555 timer to turn on. And here we can see a buzzer and a relay and a LED are all turned on when the 555 output pin goes low. So what does one do when a breathalyzer kit shows up at your door unexpectedly? Well, what any sane person would do, you make a holiday breathalyzer kit. So here we go. I have a package of 10 holiday LEDs from the dollar store. I've repurposed the battery pack here, wired it up to this boost converter here that's going to take the 3 volts from the battery pack and boost it up to the 6 volts that the breathalyzer needs. The LEDs are plugged into this relay here, the positive wire of the LEDs anyways, so that when this the relay is closed, these LED lights turn on. So it's close by default, it turns off, the party is over when you've had too much. Those are the LEDs. I'll now turn on the breathalyzer. We see a power indicator there for the breathalyzer. Now we need to trigger it. Now if I blow on it, yeah, nothing's happening. But with a little help of something here to prove the point. Smooth. Now we'll try it. There you go. It is the holiday breathalyzer kit. I think everybody should have one of these. Yeah, there you go. And now the next family member can come up and say, "Oh, I haven't had enough to drink. It's still time for the party." No, we're sorry, Aunt Susie. The party is over. Next.